past event means that either you purchase that or you get it on lease basis. Yeah, there has to be a past event. You purchase that thing, then that's an asset for you. Yeah, because you got ownership of that, and from which future economic benefit are expected to flow to the entity. Always remember, okay, asset has future economic benefit. If you purchase the asset today, yeah, if you purchase the asset today, then for many years you will be able to use that in your operations of the company, and you will get value in future. Yes, it is expected that you will get value in future. So that's what an asset is. Now let's see the meaning of expense. Expense. See here the meaning of expense. An expense is the cost of operations that a company incurs to generate revenue and from which no further benefit is expected. Yeah, expense is what? Expense is an expenditure that you incur, the cost. Yeah, cost of operations. Yeah, and from which no further benefit is expected. Yeah, the main difference between asset and expense is that, you know, in asset we get future economic benefit. Yeah, but here once you incur the expenses, that means you have taken the benefit already. The benefit is already taken. For example, yeah, at the end of the month you pay the rent. Yes, now are you going to get any more benefit from that? No. If you're paying 5,000 rent today, that means you have already taken the benefit. Yeah, if you have paid the salary of your worker, that means that person has already worked for you. Yeah, he's getting the salary at the end, you are paying the salary, so that is an expense for you. Expense is something, you know, the benefit of which you have already taken. Yeah, no further benefit is expected. That's the simple logical definition of expense. Okay, expense is the cost of operations that a company incurs to generate revenue. Yes, you are incurring these things, you are paying the rent, you are, you know, paying the electricity bills, you are paying the salaries of your workers, because the operations can be run smoothly and you will be able to generate a revenue from that. Yeah, yes, and from which no further benefit is expected. This is the main point. Okay, no further benefit. If you pay the electricity bill, that means you have consumed the electricity. Yeah, you are not going to get any more electricity from that money itself. Yeah, if you get an electricity bill of 2,000 rupees, that means you have used that much of electricity. Yes, now you are paying that 2,000, that means that's an expense for you. Now that 2,000 you can't say give me back or something like that. Yeah, you are not getting any benefit anymore. You have already utilized the benefits. Yeah, you have already utilized the benefit. Clear? So that's what an expense is. Now let's see the meaning of liability. See here, liability is very simple. See, liability. Liability is a present obligation of the entity to transfer an economic resource as a result of past event. Now what does this mean? See, it's very simple. A present obligation. Right now there has to be an obligation to the entity. Your company has to pay something, do something, or abstain from doing something beneficial. Yeah, so see here, a present obligation of the entity to transfer an economic resource